cake-like and spongy tiramisu has never been easier. All you will need is a few ingredients. We're going to start by making the biscuits first. Now you can do this a day or two ahead of time. That way when it comes time to make a tiramisu, you're only doing a couple of things. You will find the instructions and the recipe for the biscuits in the description box below, so please do have a look there in case you're wanting to make them. If you're not interested in the biscuits right now and you want to use the store-bought ones, that is perfectly fine. You can just skip right on ahead to the part where we're making the berry mix and the cream. When making the egg whites, just remember to make sure that you don't have any egg yolk in there, because that will alter the consistency of your mixture and you'll get a mix eventually that kind of spreads really wide. It'll give you a crispier biscuit, and there's nothing wrong with that, so do be wary of that. And also make sure that you whisk and your bowl are perfectly dry when you're doing the egg whites. Now allow the biscuits to completely cool on a cake rack before storing them or eating them or using them in this beautiful tiramisu that we're making. So as you can see here, what we've gone and done is we've allowed our berries to soak in some lemon and sugar for up to about 2 hours. So go off and do something fun while they create their juices. Then you will get on to making the creamy mixture. This has to be by far my most favorite tiramisu recipe because it doesn't involve using the eggs and cooking the eggs over the stove top. So you just need to put your mascarpone cheese and your whipping cream into a bowl along with some sugar and vanilla if you want to. It's not traditional, but I like the vanilla. And just dip your biscuits in really quickly. You don't need to soak them. That's what will give you a soggy tiramisu. So very quickly, and then just start laying her up. And before you know it, some strange dude called Bob is your uncle. The homemade biscuits are a bit larger than the store-bought ones, so please check the description box again because it'll tell you how much more cream and mascarpone to use. So go ahead and do yourself a favor. Try the recipe out. It is quick, it is easy, and above all, it is delicious.